Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c: and hit enter. Then type cd c: and hit enter. Type cd windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md backup and hit enter. Now type copy **backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy **backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy **** and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd c: and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit /export c:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd c: and hit enter. Now type md boot and hit enter. Type cd boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd c: and hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run c:/boot/bcd bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.